What is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag, trigger, and variable. What is Google Tag Manager? Google Tag Manager is a free tag management system that allows you to add, manage, and update tracking codes on your website or app without editing the website code every time. Instead of depending on developers for every tracking change, GTM acts as a central control panel where marketers can deploy tools like Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook Pixel, TikTok Pixel, etc. In simple terms, GTM bridge between your website and marketing analytics tools. Google Tag Manager GTM is a free tag management platform developed by Google that allows marketers and developers to deploy and manage website and app tracking codes without direct code edits. It streamlines analytics and advertising integration, reducing reliance on development cycles. Key fact: Developer Google. Initial release October 2012. Platform support web, iOS, Android, and AMP. Core, core function: centralized management of tracking tags and scripts. Pricing: free. Enterprise version by a Google marketing platform. How does it work? Google Tag Manager uses a container snippet added to a site or app. Within GTM, user configure tags such as analytics or conversion script, triggers, rules for when tags fire, and variables, dynamic data reference. This setup allows terms to update measurement and marketing tools instantly through a interface rather than editing source code. Integration and ecosystem. GTM integrate natively with Google Analytics for Google Ads and other Google marketing platform tools. While supporting hundreds of third-party and custom tags, it offers a preview mode, version control, and user permission for safe collaboration across marketing and development teams. Benefit and adoption. The platform simplifies text development, accelerates camping testing, and reducing implementation errors by separating tech management from code development. GTM enhances agility for digital marketing teams. It is widely used across industries for analytics tracking, remarketing, and consent management, security, and governance. GTM provides built-in tag templates that reduce the risk of code injection, granular access controls, and audit logs for compliance oversights. Enterprise often pair it with consent management and data layers standards to maintain data privacy and regulatory compliance. Install Google Tag Manager. Copy the code below and paste into every page of your website. This is this is the head. Paste this code as high in the head section of page as possible. This is code. Paste this and the second code. Paste this code immediately after the opening body tag. Or first code after the opening head code. Paste this code as high in the head of the page as possible. Then tag triggers and variables. Triggers variables.